So we can work backwards to find the error bound. So when you're calculating a confidence interval, remember you have the sample mean and you calculated the error bound, which you use to get the confidence interval. Well, sometimes you'll read statistical studies and they'll only give you the confidence interval. So what you can do is you can work backwards to find the error bound in the sample mean. From the upper value of the interval, subtract the sample mean, or from the upper value of the interval, subtract their lower value, and then divide the difference by 2. So suppose we know the confidence interval is 67.18, 68.82, and we want to find the error bound. You may know your sample mean is 68, or perhaps the source only gives you the confidence interval and doesn't tell you the sample mean. If you know the sample mean, all you have to do is subtract the 68.82 minus 68 to get 0.82, which gives you the error bound. Or if you don't know the sample mean, you can do 68.82 minus 67.18 divided by 2 to get 0.82. So working backwards to find that sample mean again, all you do is subtract the error bound from the upper value of the confidence interval or average the upper and lower endpoints together of the confidence interval. So here we go. Suppose again we have a confidence interval of 67.18, 68.82, and we want to find the error bound. And again, you might not know that your sample mean is 68. So what we're going to do again is if you do know it, all you do is subtract that from the upper bound and you get the confidence interval. You get the error bound. But if you don't know the error bound, what you can do together is do 68.82 plus 67.18 divided by 2, and you get 68. So the great thing is this gives you the sample mean. And you can still try to find the error bound. Okay? So let's say we have a different one. Suppose we have a confidence interval of 42.12 and 47.88. It says find the error bound and the sample mean. Since we don't know the sample mean, we can find the error bound by doing 47.88 minus 42.12 divided by 2 gives us 2.88 as our error bound. Since we didn't know the error bound, we could also do 47.88 plus 42.12 divided by 2 to get 45. So we can get the error bounds and the sample mean without even having to know them, just specifically from the confidence interval itself.